Hello Jo, can you tell us a little bit about your new workshop at Vitreus Art?
Yes, Mike, it's a new workshop that's going to be happening in the new year. It's to do with your seaside memories, your holiday memories. We all know that everybody goes to the beach and picks up a piece of sea glass. They pick up a nice pebble, but they don't know what to do with it when they get it home, and it just sits in a bowl and they forget about it. So I'm proposing that we do a workshop and we learn how to wrap the piece of sea glass or the pebble with some wire.
Can you tell me what it is that people would make on the workshops?
They would make a pendant, something similar to this.
That's a piece of sea glass.
That is a
right?
piece of sea glass and it's wrapped with wire. That is 2 pieces of sea glass wrapped with wire. Very pretty things, and we have pebbles as well that you can wrap. You can learn all the techniques in the morning, and you will have enough materials to be able to make at least 2 pendants, if not more. If you want to bring your own sea glass, that would be a very good idea, or your own special pebble, and I can teach you all the techniques that you need so that you can actually make yourself a pendant.
Is it necessary for somebody to have done some jewellery workshop or craft workshop before?
No, not at all.
Okay, so this
No.
is for beginners and people who've done a bit of jewellery already?
Yes, anybody that can use a pair of pliers, basically.
Fantastic.
And wire snips. That's all we use, is pliers and wire snips.
That's great. And
Yeah.
it's likely that people would make several pendants in the day. They
Yes.
have time for that?
I'm aiming that they should be able to make 3 or 4 pendants in the day.
Fantastic.
And once we've had lunch, when we go to the afternoon session, I'm proposing that we have a go at some sterling silver
Sounds a bit
around
fancy.
some glass cabochons, which I can supply. Sterling silver acts slightly differently. It reacts to being worked.
Right.
So
okay.
the more you work it, the harder it goes, and the more it holds the actual piece in place.
Right. And
So
that's
there'll
all
be a
covered
bit
in
of,
the workshop.
yes, it is covered in the workshop. There'll be a bit of hammering, a little bit of hammering, but mostly wire wrapping. Yes.
Do people need to bring anything of their own?
No, unless they have a special piece of sea glass or a special stone, I can supply everything.
That
All the
sounds-
tools, all the materials are supplied.
That sounds great. So if somebody wants to come on the workshop, then what do they do about it?
They need to either go onto Vitreus Art's website and book online, or pop into Vitreus Art if they're passing, and they can make a booking in person.
That's great. Thanks for telling us about the workshop, Jo.
It's a pleasure, and I look forward to seeing a few people in the new year.